Look at all these damn packages just taking up all this space inside of my living room. I mean, they're in the way. And baby got a mop. Baby, are these packages in your way?
I need them moved.
Do you need them moved?
I need them moved.
Do you need them moved? I'm gonna move them right freaking now. Right now. Beep, 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 beep. Oh my God. Everything's so heavy. Uh-oh. Beep, beep, whoop. Well, that happened. God damn. This is the heaviest box I've ever gotten from Max Speeding Rods. Good Lord. Woo. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today we're just going to be doing a really quick unboxing. Really quick little Sunday video for you guys. I hope you're having an amazing weekend. I'm doing pretty good. Did a bunch of painting on Braven's truck. Oh my God, I found another spot.
You know what? I just seen that right now too.
Oh my God, bro. Had to touch his frame up and I thought that I found everything and I see another freaking spot right there. Damn it. Anyhow. All right, so I've had so much stuff kind of accumulate from Max Speeding Rods. I have a lot of stuff that I have to install on a few different vehicles here. So I figured I'd go ahead and give an unboxing for you guys so you guys can see what all it is we got. Oh. I see what they did here. I thought this was two boxes. It's a box slid on top of a box. Yeah, trick. Whoa. What the hell? The box in a box inside of a box. Oh my goodness. Sick. My address is not on any of this, right? Oh my God. Okay. This is gonna be easier to just do this. Yeah. Sucker. Woo, there's another one. Alright, box number one. I have no idea what's inside of here. I, for the most part, know what all it is that I ordered, but I don't know what all, because we have some stuff that's still coming, and then we received some things, so I don't know what is in these ones and what I'm still waiting on. Really?
Oh my God.
Dude, this is really another box inside of another box. What the hell, Gina? Bruh. Yeah! My yard is gonna be a mess by the end of this. Oh.
Upside down, Dad.
Two boxes. Ooh. I know exactly what that is. Damn, hell yeah. Fucker. And of course there's two. Sorry, babe. Alright, so this is actually a set of drop knuckles. Now, I'm going to unbox all this stuff for you guys, but I'm not going to share with you exactly what vehicles all this stuff goes to. I mean, I'm sure you guys can more than likely guess. But yeah, this is a set of 2-inch drop knuckles, in which Max Speeding Rod offers this for quite a few vehicles, actually. So, to be honest with you, these will fit probably, I don't know, 2 or 3, maybe even 4 different vehicles that we have at the house. So you're more than welcome to put in the comments down below your guess of what vehicle these are for, but you'll probably never guess. Now, but for real, this is a set of 2-inch drop knuckles. Like I said, Max Speeding Rods actually offers these for quite a few different vehicles. If you guys are interested in that, I will have a link in the description down below. And of course, they're giving you guys a discount. I'm actually really stoked about these. We're gonna get to installing them next week. All right, moving on to box number 2. I'm curious to know whether there's gonna be a box inside of a box. Yeah. Ooh, okay. The instructions that are sitting on top tell me exactly what's in here. Boink. Bam, baby! Freaking C-notch kit. Oh, this is a pretty big one, Braven. This is actually bigger than the one that's on the Colorado. I thought it was gonna be the same size.
Yeah, pictures never do justice.
That's a pretty decent size.
Oh yeah, that's actually probably plenty.
Yeah. What am I gonna use the other one for?
That thing over there?
Oh yeah. right, so once again, these are also from Max Speeding Rods. They have a lot of different kits for C-notching as well, in which you'll see in this video, because I actually got more than one C-notch kit. This one is obviously the type that you bolt in, so this is going to be for one of the vehicles on the channel, and you will be seeing that in an up-and-coming video. I'm hoping to also get going on this as of next week. So once again, I'll have a link to the C-notch kit in the description down below if you guys are interested. Everything that we open up today is actually going to be in a link in the description down below. And of course, like I said, Max Speeding Rods, like always, gives the DBFam a percentage off. So this is another thing that I am extremely excited about getting installed. It's going to go hand in hand with this stuff right here. Comes with a little bump stop kit and all the hardware that you actually need to bolt it. I more than likely will not be using those bump stops, but look at this, it even comes with instructions. Or maybe not. I don't see no instructions. It just tells you what's all in the kit.
Tell you what it's for, though.
Does it? Oh shit. I'm sure everybody can guess what this is for, bro.
Most likely.
That's kind of the problem with doing an unboxing video before the actual installation video.
It's okay. It's not a secret.
Yeah, it is what it is. Anyhow, moving on to the next item. I'm gonna let Braven open this one.
Oh, hey, Braven gets to get included?
Grab the knife, Braven. Grab the knife, Braven. This is probably the most exciting piece to the puzzle, but be careful with how deep you put that razor blade, that knife in there.
Oh, I know what this is.
Do you know what it is?
I do. I've been told.
I'm actually really excited about this.
I actually low-key want some of these too.
I think this is gonna solve a problem that I'm having from going from big to small.
What's that right there?
You know what I mean? It's gonna solve my problem of going from big to small. What the hell? Careful, careful, careful now. Damn, Gina.
What is that?
Wow, that is a nice color, dude. It's actually a sick ass color. I was kind of like, the only thing that I was really disappointed about this is the fact that the brackets were blue.
Yeah.
But that's actually a sick ass color.
Ready, guys? Bam!
Freaking airbag kit, sucker.
Damn, that's gonna be sick.
All right, I'm just gonna be straight up with you guys because it's obvious, you know what I mean? All this stuff is actually for the daily. It's for the cat eye, man. So we got 2-inch lowering spindles for the front. I've also got some stuff for the rear that I'm gonna share with you right now here in a moment. We have a C-notch because we're gonna need to make some clearance in the rear. And then on top of that, I also got this bag. It's a helper kit. So what this is gonna do is allow for us to stiffen the back of the truck up for whenever I do actually put a trailer on it. And just so you guys know, I know what a lot of people are gonna say. You're supposed to be making this your tow rig, you know? Why are you gonna lower it? I am not slamming it. I want to just tastefully lower it a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the bag kit on the back to help stiffen the rear whenever we do have a trailer on there. This is gonna help tremendously whenever we are towing something. And then of course, I just have to get one of those hitches that are reverse, you know? What would they call that? Is it a drop hitch? No, drop hitch is for a lifted truck. I gotta get a lifted hitch.
You need to get a drop hitch and then flip it upside down.
Yeah, a drop hitch and flip it upside down, basically. But like I said, this thing's not gonna be slammed. I just want to lower it ever so slightly, just to give it a little bit more of a clean, sleek look. You know what I'm saying? Anyhow, this kit also, like I said, I'm just gonna end up repeating myself every time we open something. This is available on Max Speeding Rods, this entire kit, and they also have many different kits that are specific for different trucks. You know what I'm saying? So you just have to check out the website. I will have a link in the description down below for this one. This one specifically is for my 2005 Chevy Silverado, but then they have different kits for different trucks, obviously. And not just Chevy, they got Dodge, Ford, everything else, you know, and they're literally bolt-on kits is what they're supposed to be. So we will be making a video here in the near future installing all this. Another thing that I am super excited about. All right. Oh, I got a couple more boxes in the house. Hang on. All right. This is Max Speeding Rods. All 3 of these items right here, I personally got off of Amazon. So we'll open up the last Max Speeding Rods package that I have at the moment. Other than the coilovers. I mean, you guys already know. So I mentioned earlier that I got more than one C-notch kit. Things are glued. Dude.
Take those to work with me and sandblast them for you.
Yes, please.
Those things look like the fact that you could slam this on the table and didn't come off is crazy.
Yeah, I know. All right, so this is also a C-notch kit, but this is a weld on. in which honestly I need 2 C-notch kits for 2 different vehicles, but I wasn't sure whether I wanted this style for the cat eye or if I was going to use the bolt-on style. I'm more than likely going to use the bolt-on style because I'm not lowering the truck enough to need this, you know what I mean? There is something else that I am going to be lowering enough to need this. Matter of fact, I might need it bigger. No, this should be fine. This should be plenty. But yeah, this is a Weld-in kit. It comes with all the pieces, and they're currently like covered in some anti-rust stuff that literally has them like glued together. So they won't separate. But yeah, dude, they have these on their website, and they have a bunch of different sizes that you can order, and also, again, vehicle specific ones. So this will actually fit either vehicle that I ordered it for. So either whether I use it for the cat eye, it will fit the cat eye, but it will also fit that Yukon sitting out there, because as you guys know, that frame is going over here. But yeah, Braven's gonna take this with him to work and actually sandblast all this and get all this stuff off of here for him, get it nice and ready for welding whenever it comes time to do that. Again, that's going to be a future project on the channel.
While unboxing stuff, we actually got more packages in the mail, so we're gonna add these to the list of stuff we got to open up in this video.
Yeah, Amazon just showed up. Finally. Yeah, one of those things in there was for overnight shipping 2 days ago.
2 days ago, yeah.
That's ridiculous. All right, these 3 packages, I'm going to go ahead and open them all up in one time. So like I mentioned, all this stuff right here came off of Amazon. This right here is specifically for a 2005 Chevy Silverado. I forget the years exactly. It'll be on the link in the description down below, but this is an axle flip kit. So whenever you lower a Silverado like mine, the axle is actually underneath the leaf springs. So if you were to put a block in there, you're actually lifting the truck. I want to lower it, so we need to move the axle from under the leaf spring to on top of the leaf spring. But whenever you do that, your axle perch is then on the wrong side. So that's where this kit comes in. I'm sure most of you guys have seen an axle flip kit. Anyhow, that's exactly what this is, and it's also going to be for the cat eye. This is how we are going to do the rear in combination with our notch kit. Now, once we lower the back and we actually flip the axle, this is going to give us 4 inches in the rear. We are going to need these right here. You either run shorter shocks or you can run the shock relocation kit. So this right here will actually bolt on to the stock location where the shock once bolted on, then extend the mounting point down 4 inches so that you can use your stock shocks. That's what I wanted to do, was just go ahead and utilize using my stock shocks instead of having to order like custom short ones. And that came with all the hardware and everything. This also I got off of Amazon. Link will be in the description down below. Now moving on to these guys, I don't know if I'm going to use these or not. I got these as a just in case. So these are the drop shackles for my truck, and you can either drop it 1 inch or drop it 2 inches. So whenever I do the flip kit, if I don't think that lowered the truck enough, I'll have this option. I can add another inch or I can add another 2 inches. So that would be a total of either, so this is 4 inches, and if I need more, this will give me the option of going to 5 or 6 inches for the rear. So that's what all of that is right there. And then from there, the only other thing that I have left for Max Speeding Rods is a set of coilovers that we are going to be installing on a car here in the near future. But I'm waiting for some other parts to come in, because after we install these, we are going to drive the living shit out of it. All right, 2 more packages that came from Amazon today. I think this one's mine. That one's yours, yeah, that one's mine. This one's Braven's. Go ahead, crack her open. You guys will actually see in a up and coming video that we were very much so waiting for this. That's the reason why we ordered it as same day freaking shit. Well, next day shipping, overnight shipping, and it took forever to freaking get here.
I didn't think I'd ever have one of these in my hand. How long it took for this to be delivered.
Dude, no kidding.
This is like an $80 drill bit.
Yeah.
I said I'd cheap out and buy it for cheaper because it's gonna be the next day air.
Yeah, no kidding. So this right here is a 10-degree drill bit. This is what Braven needs to move forward with installing the Crown Vic steering knuckles on the front of his Colorado. So Crown Vics Fords, they have different ball joints than what GM does. So whenever you use the Crown Vic steering knuckle with the Colorado upper and lower control arms with Colorado ball joints, you need to drill it with one of these. This is a 90-degree ball joint reamer. That's what it's called, right?
10-degree ball joint reamer.
Oh, 10 degree, I'm sorry. We needed a 90-degree drill with it.
Yep.
A 10-degree, so there's a 10-degree ball joint reamer bit. So whenever he reams out his, it's basically like this. So whenever he reams out his steering knuckles, oh, they're over here. It's gonna put that taper in it. So it'll actually match the GM ball joints.
Right.
So we've been waiting for that to actually move forward on the Colorado. And now, magically, it's here. Anyhow, one last package we need to open up, and this is the most important one out of all of them. All right, for this oh, Jesus Lord. For this last package, we need King Henry. Don't go nowhere, Henry. You gotta wait here, buddy.
Get away here. Are you excited? Go look at what it
Oh, they got middle fingers on them, bro. What the
know.
fuck? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
How do you even put that on him?
I have no idea. Is there instructions?
There's not instructions.
How do you put these on him?
I think it goes under his wings.
I don't want to put these under his wing.
Put it around his neck.
Yeah, I think it just goes like this.
Oh my god.
He's like, oh my god, I got arms.
That's a thumbnail.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. King Henry now has arms.
He's actually shredded though.
Oh man, and he's telling everybody how he feels. What's going on, Henry? Dang, why you gotta be so mean? Hey.
Damn, okay. Okay.
Oh shoot, I don't know if they're in the right position they're supposed to be in, but you know what, we'll figure it out. Anyhow guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend. Just unboxing some stuff. This is all future projects, of course, so.
I want to see him run across the yard with him.
Oh Jesus, oh Jesus, oh Jesus. Oh, there he goes.
Let me.
Your arm's a little.
Your arms are a little crooked, buddy. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.
God, it's falling out.
Is it falling off? Oh, he's going in the house. Oh, that's hilarious. Later, Henry.
He got a little bit of a milk mustache right now.
Is that how you feel, Henry? Is that how you feeling, buddy? Oh, God, I freaking love you.
He was sitting there, he was trying to back up.
Imagine he
Dogs
starts
on the
pecking
ground.
his own hands.